Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 3 best Dyson vacuum cleaners which are best in rating, pricing and customer satisfaction. We have listed them, based on quality, price and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, you should check the links in the description below.
This is the Dyson V6 Motorhead, the most powerful vacuum that is both lightweight and cordless. With 75% more brush bar power, it is ideal for deep carpet cleaning, but also underneath furniture, stairs, and up high. It is engineered to generate powerful cleaning performance throughout your home. The small, light motor has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. And at less than 5 pounds, and with no cord, the machine is light and portable. A direct drive cleaner head provides 75% more brush bar power to drive bristles deep into carpet, removing more dirt and dust from your floors. The V6 Motorhead vacuum easily converts to a handheld and comes equipped with Dyson engineered tools for cleaning in all areas of your home and car. The crevice tool is ideal for cleaning your car and hard-to-reach areas.
The new Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Vacuum. Unrivaled Dyson suction. Turns on a dime.
We hope you like our video. Subscribe to our channel for more new videos and the latest information. Please write your opinion in the comment section.